Hi guys.
Hello.
Mwah. We are here today with my mom Teresa, giving you another Savage X Fenty box. This is their VIP box. It is $49.95 a month. You can use that as a credit towards the box itself, or you can buy other things. There are certain VIP sales where you can get things that are up to 50% off and that aren't up for other members. And also, you get an extension on your return policy. So instead of 30 days, you get 90 days to try things on, see if you like it, and you can return it for the full refund. And you can also skip a month. So if things are a little bit tighter that month, you want to skip, you can skip. And this time we had the dolled up box. And so let's get it open. First, we have the Cheeky Spice Orange Dainty Doll Lace. And I got mine in an extra large.
Oh, I love the color. That is so cute.
That is the front. You can see all the appliques on it.
Nice.
And it's so pretty. And it's that
look how sheer it is, y'all.
Very, very sheer. That's why I'm not trying this on, because all your business is out in the street. Front street end. This is let's see. Yeah, like I said, it's extra large. It is hand washed cold, like a lot of the stuff is. And I'm seeing polyester. Oh, sorry, 86% nylon and elastic.
Okay. You know, sometimes like fabric like this can be really scratchy. This is so soft. Oh, yeah. Wow, this is really nice.
This has actually been made to wear. This is not something that you want to be, you could just be cute in for like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
This is meant to be comfortable.
That's what to stuff like this, I usually don't like it because it starts biting and scratching you. But this is really soft.
Take it for somebody who thighs rub.
I like these. Oh, nice. Oh, I love the material.
Yes. Oh,
it's really soft. Yeah.
Rihanna got cute stuff.
I like it. And I love that color.
I would have never
look at all the detail. Look at all the detail. It's really pretty. Yeah, I like it.
And now we have the boy shorts.
Oh.
So as my mom said, this is sheer. You put this on over top.
Okay.
Go grab stuff, and you still got that same embellishments on it.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
And it's once again very soft material.
Let me feel.
Yes.
Oh, and it breathes.
Yes.
Nothing worse than a hot ass. Wow, nice.
This is so pretty, and this is an extra large too. And as I say with these, be honest about your size, because she tailors them to make sure that they hit you on the right spot. So if you buy a pair of underwear, they don't cut up so high so that fat comes underneath. It's a little bit wider for extra large 2XLs, so that way it actually looks good on your figure.
Ooh.
So never lie about your size. All right. And so this is a tank top that comes with it. Once again, it's that same breathable material as the boy shorts.
Oh, okay. It comes up a little bit.
Yes.
Front.
Oh. So you have that like baby doll look.
Yeah.
And I love that when it comes to like underwear, not clothes.
Actually, this is the secret to a slender look. When it comes up just a little bit, give you just a peek of the skin right there.
Peek at the.
Yeah. Yup.
And once again, you have those same very beautiful embellishments.
Look how strong the hooks are. They're not those plastic ones. They're really nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like her stuff.
Yeah, and since I already had a credit, I paid like $5, and that included tax. And the shipping was still free because I'm a VIP customer.
Oh, see? This is what I'm talking about. See, there's a nice little thin piece of fabric right here. And it keeps you from getting scratched up. So it's really nice. It's nothing worse than trying to be sexy with an itchy booty.
You're like, did you see it? Cool, it's coming off. This you can actually chill in the house and be comfortable.
Oh,
and I've actually done that.
Nice.
I've gotten really cute and just been comfortable in her clothes.
Yeah.
So even
Oh, well, there's nothing wrong with sitting around with something nice on.
no, be sexy. I was sexy doing my taxes.
I wear my stuff. I don't just leave it in the drawer. Like I don't understand why people buy stuff and put it up and like they never wear it. Like they're waiting for something special. Like every day is something special. Wear your stuff.
Yes, she tells me that all the time.
Yeah, wear your stuff. Something happened to you, somebody be having it on tomorrow. Like it's everyday wear.
That's what they said about Joan Rivers.
Yeah, wear your stuff. Use your
Yeah,
things.
when they
Use
gave
your good
her
dishes.
when
I
they
mean,
had
all that.
when they gave her stuff away for auction, they were saying things like, she told Wendy Williams like, "Hey, use this stuff. My mom never wanted her stuff to just be like a museum piece." She said, "Make sure you use that ring thing that I bought and put your rings on it." She's like, she wanted her stuff to be used.
Yeah.
So use your stuff now. Don't wait for special occasions.
Yeah.
Like every day is special occasions. Be sexy in your house by yourself. Feel sexy.
That's right.
Be sexy doing dishes.
Yeah, use your good dishes.
Yeah, you seen Rihanna out there, belly out to here, feeling sexy. Do you?
Get your sexy on.
Yes. So for $50, is this worth it to you?
Absolutely, hands down.
Yes. So Rihanna, keep your billionaire status.
Oh,
Keep making your money, boo, because you make some quality stuff that we love.
I love your stuff.
In life, there's black and white, but right now, you guys are getting 2 shades of gray with my lovely mother, Teresa. Bye, guys.
Bye.